Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Our brains are amazing machines. They can hear the sound of morning as one sound, or, if we focus, we can divide the sounds in our minds to hear just one sound at a time. Listen carefully now and try to hear all of the different sounds of the morning. Now, let's try to pick out separate sounds one at a time. Can you hear the sounds of birds waking up with the sunrise? Listen for a different call of a different bird. In the distance, can you hear a rooster rising with the sun? Listen carefully for the hum of a school bus engine. Can you hear the chatter of somebody listening to the radio?
No question about that. John Morosi's with us on Steve Gorman Sports.
Listen for the familiar sounds of somebody making breakfast. Take a couple of moments now to use your imagination to explore this place. Imagine what you would see here. What is there to explore? As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.